that crease cream, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana. The go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another video. Today is Wednesday's video, and I hope y'all like this look. This hairstyle is vacation vibes. Like, it's so easy to maintain. Like, it's just so easy to maintain. A hair tutorial will be up on this, but for now, this is the makeup tutorial, y'all. So I want y'all to get into this look. And I'm using some of my shadows and my liquid lipstick. So I want y'all to get into this. So if y'all want to see how I choose this look, then keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so let's get into this makeup look. I already prepped my brows with my Benefit Clear Brow Gel, and now I'm about to powder my brows after they dry. And we're about to go on with these two pencils. This pencil is the Bendy Bella micro brow pencil, and then my micro brow pencil. This is how my brows look. I can't wait till my pencils come out, y'all. I did have to switch from the Bendy Bella Co to this L'Oreal pencil because this is the stylist department because it ran down. Okay, I can't even use it no more. It's like at this last look, y'all know how the pencils be when you try to like get it out, so I can't even use it. Anyways, we're about to conceal our brows. I am going to take my 252S MAC brush, and I'm going to take my eyeshadow base, and I'm also going to mix it with a little bit of P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 4, and we're about to conceal. Alright, y'all, so brows are done. It took me a little minute to do these brows, y'all. I don't know why it's been taking me so long to do brows, but it definitely has. Now we are about to put a little bit of both bases on the eyelids. I'll do the other eye off camera, and we're gonna get right to the shadow. My eyes is finished being primed with this base. Why am I saying this so slow? This is the Gem Rock No Limitation eyeshadow palette. I told y'all I gotta start using my palette, so I'm gonna take this color right here. It's called Sarah. Nice smoky color. Cause I miss this brush. A 778. Sorry, Bedazzling Tools brush. We're actually gonna go into the Warriors palette, and we're going to grab this color right here. Now we gotta figure out what brush we're gonna use to add this dark, like smoky brown shade. We got this going on right here. I'm about to put some base on my lid. Not too much, just a little bit. I don't want that much. I never want too much. Take my nude, y'all, and this is for my line. Winning Wild. I was NYX. Berlin. Okay, so I did go ahead and apply a little bit more of that brown on each side. So it's still kind of drying, but I'm gonna go ahead and kind of add some duo glue on the back of my head. Oh my god, directly back to the. And I am going to. Hydro grip primer, y'all. These. I was gonna use this one, but I want to do a full review, y'all. Oh, okay, hold on. Just going to apply it, and I'm going to it's like orange. Okay. Honestly, it's looking like I like it, so I think we're gonna use this today. We're gonna try it. It's giving not real thick, but it's giving a thick consistency. However, it's giving out orange, but once it oxidizes, I feel like it's going to do what it's supposed to do. So I don't really need to correct much. Probably just those areas. I wish I had a corrector. Okay, so let's try to cover this up. So I use my finger. I like the way that method is. I want to scratch some of my hands. It's a BB, it's supposed to be like a BB cream, but it's not. It's a foundation. Okay. It's a foundation. It's not. I don't feel like it's covering up my dark marks completely, but it's definitely even out my skin tone because like I can still see. You know what it put me in the mind of? It put me in the mind of Kat Von D foundation, y'all. Have y'all tried it? I love the formula of that foundation, especially when I first started. I loved the formula. You can see zoomed in for y'all so that y'all can see.
I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch. Baby, I look around and
Useless. I'm gonna take my Joy blush from Wear Beauty. So I'm gonna come back when it's time to apply the powder. Okay, so this time I'm using Sasha Buttercup under the eye today, and I'm not using too much. I have the One Size Turn Up the Base powder. This is the foundation powder, and it's in the shade Deep 1 Neutral. Look a little darker, you know what I'm saying? So kind of. Okay. I did it. Alright, so I'm gonna go on 460. Y'all know that memo. And I'm going to bronze. Okay, something is telling me to add this peach in the waterline. So I'm gonna add this peach. This is called Tangy Teas. And we're just gonna add this in the waterline. So this is my brown that's in my palette. I'm showing too much, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I cannot find no like matte pink lipstick. I must have threw them all in the garbage, but I'm just gonna do red, y'all. I want a different color. So this is my lipstick, and I'm just lining my lips with this. Then I have that, which looks amazing. I'm gonna take my liquid lipstick. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, rate, and subscribe. Shh. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys on my next one.
Briana